Hello. We talked yesterday, and this is what I figured out. I don't make ribbon blenders for a living, but if I did, I saw one at one point in my life that used a paddle design. I did check the internet and find out that this is a sufficient design. I have overlap between each paddle, and they would be flat paddles welded in an array like this. I do think the geometry is a little wrong. This was my first attempt. I would like to get a lot more aggressive V to match what came out of there. Um, but it would be individual segments. I would start with mirror finished stainless steel, water jet it to these similar shapes, and you would have the same effect. Let me turn off this body here. You would have the same effect as the original ribbon, where there's an inner ribbon that's pushing material outward and the outer ribbon is pulling material inward or vice versa, but they're doing opposite things as the blender spins in any particular direction. I'm literally going to copy the geometry off of the ribbon that I have. Um, I would have to remake the shaft because the current shaft has a step in it, and I can't get the step through the hole and also seal on the shaft. So I'd have to make a new shaft, uh, a sleeve that goes over that shaft that I can weld all these paddles to, and then um, I don't know how we want to discuss locking that sleeve to that shaft. I would like to put a bolt in there, but if you're talking GMP standards, I don't really want any extra surfaces. So then I want to use a keyway, but I have to ask Jordan if a keyway in this surface here would interfere with the seals. So there's some things to discuss there, but and then I think if I did this design, um, I I might end up making the body as well from that same mirror finished material, and then I would chamfer these edges, TIG weld it, and polish the welds, and you'd have a mirror finished GMP qualifiable blender that's serviceable and the whole bit. So let me know if this is acceptable. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you.